So quick question for you, my friends. Actually, I've got two questions. This is for popular vote down in the comments section, whatever you guys think. I'm looking at putting possibly peel and stick down on this these two pieces of plywood and maybe around each side of the shelf, just to give it some extra, classiness. I do have a rug that I ordered that's going to be going in, but it's just a single 8-foot length that'll go this entire span. It'll go from the back of that seat and between the wheel well and this seat and all the way up to the back here. I thought that would be kind of cool. Next thing I wanted to talk about was fold-up shelves. I've got one in going off the front here, kind of I was explaining it in my last video. I do want to do one off the side of this. I thought that would be neat. Where do you think I should put them? Definitely here off the front, the back would be cool. Do you think I should put one off the side? I still want to have access to everything below. They're not going to be huge fold-out shelf or fold-out tables. They're not going to be absolutely massive. So I was thinking about putting one back here, which would be kind of sweet. Right in here that would kind of come down and fold up. I'm going to actually have one on when I put the hitch on and everything like that. I'm looking at having one off of my toolbox. That'll kind of, when I fold it out, it'll kind of pop up off my toolbox, which will be neat. The folding units that I'm using are made of stainless steel, and they're pretty nice. But what kind of wood should I use for outside? Like a pressure-treated plywood, I gather, would be kind of neat. I definitely don't want to use regular plywood and polyurethane it. I don't think that would stand up to the elements. So I'm thinking like either a pressure-treated piece or something that would stand up. I don't know what they make grill out of. Grill shelves. Maybe I'll make a steel shelf, but steel is kind of expensive, so I don't know if I want to use that or not. What do you guys think? Thanks for all the feedback. Thank you for subscribing. If you guys want to look for recipes, don't forget my Patreon is up. I do have a 1 week free membership up there if you guys want to look through some of my recipes. I do have my cookbooks up there as well. If you guys get hungry, want to check out some cool on-the-road different meals that you might be able to make, that'd be awesome. But thanks for all the support and the positive feedback that I've got from you guys. I really appreciate it.